Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best cigarette rolling machines available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have Powermatic cigarette rolling machine. The Powermatic II Plus is an electric cigarette spoon injection machine that produces a perfect cigarette in seconds. The spoon injection method allows users to make cigarettes that burn evenly without any surprises. This machine is designed to work with both standard size, king and 100mm tubes. The Powermatic II Plus electric cigarette machine features an entirely new operating concept, making it the first affordable electric spoon injection machine ever produced. This unit outperforms the very best mechanical crank injectors on the market. Also includes a tobacco hopper so you can make more cigarettes continuously without constantly reloading tobacco into the machine. It features a collection of useful tools for cleaning and maintenance as well as a detailed DVD with easy-to-follow operating instructions. At number 6 we have Poweroll cigarette rolling machine. The Poweroll 2 by Top-O-Matic is an electric cigarette injector that can make both king-size and 100mm cigarettes. The unit includes a dust brush, nozzle brush clearing rod, 120 volts AC adapter and a tamper. At number 5 we have Powermatic cigarette rolling machine. Powermatic IV is an electric cigarette injector. It has the high-precision aluminum frame for a smooth injection. This machine is designed to work with both king and 100mm tubes. Features a collection of useful tools for cleaning and maintenance. It has aluminum frame and spoon track for smooth injection. At number 4 we have Revolution cigarette rolling machine. You load Rio tobacco into your machine, add a paper tube and press a button. You can make a perfect pack in 2 minutes. You can use any brand of tobacco or tubes, however, you can only use filtered king-size tubes when using this machine. Its spoon feeds a measured amount of tobacco into each tube pack to your personal preference. The good news is each is uniform, you don't need to fuss and mess with the tobacco to make it perfect. The machine is safe, reliable and makes cigarettes consistently good. It also has a dial to adjust the tightness, you can make a tighter smoke depending on your preference. In addition, the machine features a selectable compaction level, a meter slide and a control board that controls the sequence of operation. Motors notifies operator of problems and is a safety for compaction which prevents damage to the machine. At number 3 we have Chengyuan cigarette rolling machine. The cigarette rolling machine operates simply, you can adjust the density of tobacco cigarette making you like. You can enjoy perfectly homemade cigarettes and save money. This electric roller is suitable for normal size filter cigarettes. At number 2 we have YOO cigarette rolling machine. This electric automatic cigarette machine is the perfect gift for your father's boyfriend. Let them enjoy the process of making cigarettes at any time. The electric cigarette maker is made of transparent resin and does not affect the taste, environmental protection and non-toxicity of tobacco. There is a support under the nozzle that holds the chimney to prevent it from falling. Everyone is a great cigarette dealer. You can make your own filter cigarette in seconds. This small machine helps save a lot of money. This is the main method of low-cost, easy-to-operate homemade cigarettes. This electric automatic cigarette rolling machine is a good gift for men to enjoy the process of making cigarettes. At number 1 we have BDRSLX cigarette rolling machine. It is a classic practical gift for smokers, eco-friendly material, elegant design. This small machine can help make cigarettes and bring a happy life experience. It can fill one cigarette tube very quickly at several seconds. You can adjust the density of tobacco according to your personal taste. The machine operates simply and the function is very credible. Everyone could be a great cigarette operator. The ergonomic cigarette machine has a non-slip base so you can use cigarettes anytime anywhere without annoying turning, very easy to handle. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best cigarette rolling machines for your need.